Hi guys, kumusta? Hello everyone, how you doing? Mangawat ako sa akong box dire ha. Kaya mag-open ko. So mag-open ta ninyo. Ito i-open ni Mrs. Unsa ni siya? Okay. Oh. This is let me see. Oh, look nice. Look at this. Silk. What the? I like this color. What the heck? Oh, look at that. It's so nice. Oh, ready for the party or for the holiday. Layo pa man to siya. Oh, nice siya guys. So this is from Donna Karan. Okay, perfect. This is the opening side, guys. Here, look, because the neck is very close, so that's how it works. You see, it fits. Okay, all right, nice. I like it. Oh, ready for the jingle bells. Wow, I like this, guys. So this part, I got this because it was a sale. Plus, I have a birthday gift from Mrs. So I use some of this. So at least a little bit big discount for this stuff. And first time for this brand, it looks nice. So just for experience.